Describe what you have.
I have, for this, you will need a jar of water and some snow. The jar of water is there, and just put some in a spoon. You'll put some snow in a spoon, stir it up, and put more. The bubbles would be on connecting to the jar.
Why are bubbles connecting to the jar?
Because the snow is cold, and then it melts really quick, so that it sticks, and then so when it melts, it sticks stuff to the jar.
What do you mean when you say stick stuff to the jar?
It sticks bubbles to the jar.
Where'd you get snow? Did you buy it?
No, and you can get snow, and you get the snow from outside.
Everyone has snow outside?
If you have, or if you don't have snow outside, you know how to make some, just make some.
How do you make it?
If you have a snow cone maker, or you can grind up the ice. Or you can just make it a color, grind up ice if you have a snow cone maker, just grind it up and do not. And if you want it to be colorful, put it in, it'll just make colors go.
So you can color it with a crayon?
No.
You said if
you
want
can make a snow, you can let the snow cone, you can put something in the snow cone to make that a color.
What do you put in stuff to make it different colors?
The snow cone stuff.
What's the name of it?
I don't know.
What did you use before when you turned stuff different colors?
Food color.
Oh.
But you don't use that. It's something else because it's in the bottle.
It's the same thing. You just have sugar added to it.
And you cannot add sugar. If you add sugar, you'll have sugar everywhere. And you'll have to add nothing. There.
So what is your goal? What are you trying to do right now?
I'm trying to make more videos and hope people like it.
I'm talking about with your experiment today, ma'am.
I'm trying
to have fun.
Yes.
Thank you.
And if you want to make another one, you can. You can make 100 if you have that much jars. And when you want, you can just melt the snow with this water. It'll be ice cold.
Are you going to drink it?
No.
Why?
Because it's dirty.
Oh.
The snow's dirty. Did you know that? I'm going to pour the water outside, and then the snow will melt. I'm going to pour the water outside. But we're not going outside. We're just dumping it. But we don't have to go. Okay, this is coldness on my thumb. If any are around the jar, if you don't want to touch the snow, just do that. Or if you want to touch the snow, just do that. But it's cold. And if you don't want to go outside right now, you can get some of the water with the snow and put it on.
What do you think will happen if you took the jar of water and poured it into the snow?
I don't know. Let's see. Do you see, Mommy? First, if you want and you don't want to make a mess, just do that for starting.
All right, pause. So what's happening?
The snow is melting.
Mm.
And then you can put the rest. the snow, and the snow's melting.
Did it all melt?
Not yet, because I didn't pour the water.
So now that you poured all of the water, what changes were made?
The snow changed the color.
What do you mean?
The snow changed the color, but some of the snow is still there. You have to like chop it up to make it.
So what color was the snow before you poured the water?
White.
What color is the snow now?
Grayish, whitish. But some of the snow is there. That's why you do not drink it.
What kind of snow is dirty?
The snow that's outside. But if you make the snow from scratch, still don't drink it, but still don't drink it. You can pour it out if you do have snow from outside. Still don't drink it, but just pour it back outside. If you do have snow if you have snow from inside and you make it from scratch, still do the same thing. But
were there any physical changes that took place?
The color. And it's melted now when I...
All right, pause. Look at it. You had 1 cup of water. Well, you had a glass of water and you had a bowl of snow. Now you put them two together. Does it look the same?
Well, kind of, because the snow, when it was white, it was building up. But now I started to like crash it up. So that means that it isn't the same because
the hypothesis you made was that when you poured the water into the bowl, that the snow was going to melt. Was that all true?
No, because I had to chop it up for it to melt, but it'll take a few minutes for me to chop it up because I have to get it good and make sure and stir it up.
Okay, although you're chopping it up, I see the ice
is
still there.
It'll stick to the glass, so you'll have to do it from like that because it'll stick to the glass, but some will turn into water, some won't. So you have to stick it to the glass.
Okay, you have a new interviewer. I'm exiting.